what's really going on. Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, currently Cardano, price action, looking for support between this key range here. We have key level $1.18 per Cardano acting as support and buy pressure here technically until daily candles can confirm it as resistance. We also have the 0.382 Fibba Illuminati level at $1.20, suggesting further technical significance near this range. So we're watching out for, buy pressure present and further support and demand for Cardano near current levels to become, more bullish on the recovery of the uptrend near current levels. However, a failure to hold this range here will bring us down to the next area of support waiting for us all the way down at 98 cents, which we can see, very strong buy pressure and support present near those ranges as well. If we look back at price action throughout May and into July there. So we do have support and buy pressure waiting for us technically and fundamentally. I do believe things are still bullish and buy pressure is very much present. We just await the technical key factors to suggest otherwise here. So at the moment, further confirmation of support is necessary in my personal opinion. We have resistance overhead waiting for us though. $1.31 is going to be the key level of resistance we need to break and confirm as support, in addition to $1.42 it would appear is waiting to give us a hard time as well. So Cardano currently trapped in this key range. Anticipate continued sideways here as we establish support and buy pressure. I very much anticipate a recovery of the uptrend. However, we always look for the technical confirmations. And so we have been under the influence of sell suggestions ever since the middle of September here. We have our Robo advisors becoming bearish on Cardano technically since $2.28, suggesting a more bullish area of comfortable accumulation to present itself since those sell suggestions after interaction with buy signals throughout the $2 range, showing bullish buy pressure and demand for Cardano at those levels. We see prices suggest, further downside here for us, and technically we have experienced up to 47% in downside since those sell suggestions, as we are still awaiting the most bullish area of comfortable accumulation supported by technical confirmations of support, in addition to buy signals returning for Cardano. We need two of our chosen three Robo advisors to become bullish on Cardano to become, comfortably bullish on accumulation, in my opinion. And so this combination of Robo advisors has already allowed you to more than double your money on Cardano ever since area of accumulation suggested throughout the beginning of October near $1.36. After accumulation, we see prices reach over the $3 level, $3.10, a 126% increase over the following 30 days, easily well over doubling your money with EngineeringRobo on Cardano, and those sell signals in September near the $2.28 level allowed you to capitalize on 67% ROI if you utilize them as an area of take profit. And EngineeringRobo is not used to determine the top or bottom of any market, but is used to decipher areas of accumulation and take profit, and so it is key to pick three of the many different Robo advisors available. Once two of your chosen three become bullish or bearish, you can better use that to determine your entries and exits. And so at the moment, we are just awaiting, further buy signals to return and confirmations of support, in my opinion. Let me know your thoughts on Cardano down below. What are you doing with your bag if you have some now? Coin symbol SUPER, super coin, price action, looking for support down below. We have this move downward here. Key level of buy pressure waiting for us is 98 cents. This is going to be the key level of support. We anticipate buy pressure present near until daily candles can confirm it as anything. Otherwise, failure to hold it as support could bring us all the way down to the 200 daily moving average, waiting to provide buy pressure here for us currently, suggesting an uptrend overall. We are just awaiting further confirmations of support and some buy signals to return to become bullish on accumulation. We have the technical area of support waiting for us as well at 73 cents if we were to fail to hold the 200 daily moving average. Once support has been confirmed, if we hold 98 cents, my immediate short-term target for us as resistance is going to be $1.75. That is going to be the strongest area of resistance we will have to break and confirm as support. We are also watching out for $1.47 along the way as a key level of potential sell pressure that could give us a hard time. However, more significantly, $1.75 in my opinion. Technically under the influence of sell suggestions, we have our Robo advisors becoming bearish since the $1.26 level. We have two of our chosen three Robo advisors becoming bearish, and since those sell signals, technically we've experienced up to 15% in downside. This most recent combination of buy signals since the end of October here around the 84-cent level allowed you to experience up to 157% in upside after accumulation over the following 30 days. And if you weren't able to sell at that swing high, you were able to capitalize on 49% ROI if you utilize these most recent sell suggestions as we await bullish confirmations of support and accumulation supported by buy signals and technical key levels down below. So I'm awaiting some robo advisors to become bullish again. In my opinion, I'm also looking out for confirmations of support. Let me know your thoughts on this coin down below. Now, AX price action, looking for support down below. Price is making its way toward this key level here. We do see what appears to be $76.27 awaiting confirmation of support, so far providing buy pressure here for us. Failure to hold this range could bring us all the way down to $64.53. That is going to be the next level of buy pressure waiting for us. The strongest area of support, however, is going to be all the way down at $56.10. That is going to be the strongest key area of technical support waiting for us. However, we do see some key levels along the way that we may bottom out within. We are anticipating continued short-term downside here, suggested by some sell signals coming into play ever since the 4th of December here. We have significant robo advisors becoming bearish on downside, and technically since this $93.66 level, price action has diminished up to what appears to be 17.5%, looking for support and the most bullish area of comfortable accumulation to present itself here. Price action above this 200 daily moving average does suggest an uptrend still in play. However, in the immediate short term here, perhaps further support may just be necessary to allow the uptrend to continue. This combination of robo advisors suggested a bullish area of accumulation all the way back throughout the end of July near the $12.26 level. After accumulation, price action experienced up to what appears to be 1,090% in upside over the following 116 days. And if you weren't able to sell at that swing high and capitalize on an 11x return on your money with EngineeringRobo's buy signals, these most recent sell signals around the $93 level allowed you to capitalize on 658% ROI if you utilize them as an area of take profit. And so at the moment, we are awaiting buy signals to return. We do see interaction with the sell signals here throughout the end of August and beginning of September. However, EngineeringRobo members know to hold through this interaction and await further parameters to be met to suggest an area of take profit. And we do see those parameters met recently with these combination of sell signals present. So let me know down below your thoughts on this coin. Look out for support down below. Once support has been established, the next level of resistance overhead is going to be $128.47. That is going to be the area of resistance we will have to break and perhaps confirm as support as well. Now, Ethereum price action, looking for support down below here, finally breaking this key level. Prices finding themselves below this $3,922 level per Ethereum, confirming it as potential resistance. If daily candles can open and close below it with their wicks and bodies, that would suggest resistance overhead. Looking for support down below, potentially near this key level, $3,582 per Ethereum, in addition to the stronger area of support present, $3,404. Prices above this 200 daily moving average suggest an uptrend in play. Buy pressure is very much present in my opinion. We do see a strong demand for Ethereum at current levels. We see Ethereum holding very strong under significant technical sell pressure since the most significant combination of sell signals on the 16th of November. Interaction with buy signals throughout this sideways does show the strength of Ethereum and the bullish demand overall. However, technically we just may not be ready yet, and further confirmations of support may be necessary. So look out for these key levels down below. Potential interactions with these 200 daily moving average, wherever it may be, are not impossible as well. However, in my opinion, I am still bullish on the continued uptrend as long as certain parameters are met. And so let me know down below your thoughts on Ethereum. We're going to swap over to Bitcoin, looking at this very bullish interaction with the 200 daily moving average. Price action near a very key level here. Support found off of this moving average would suggest a very bullish uptrend in play and would further give us support for the uptrend in the longer term. We do have support waiting for us technically still. the 0.618 Fibonacci line, $44,000 per Bitcoin, in addition to the key level near $43,000 per Bitcoin. So very strong support present for us down below still, and I can remain bullish on Bitcoin as long as support is present. We have been awaiting, the most bullish area of accumulation to present itself ever since sell signals presenting themselves in the 16th of November. Here we have two of our chosen three robo advisors becoming bearish, and since those sell signals, we've experienced up to 30% downside in Bitcoin, and I do believe that was a very bullish and healthy pullback in what is an uptrend, in my opinion. Still, what goes up must come down. All retracements are necessary in any uptrend, and I do believe retracements and pullbacks are the best times to be buying and accumulating with anticipation of the longer term uptrend in play. And so, in my opinion, 30% downside for Bitcoin is not as bad as it could have been. We do have a recent interaction with sell signals here throughout the middle of May of this year. After those sell suggestions, prices experienced up to a 41% pullback here throughout the sort of weeks between June into July before becoming bullish again. And after that 41% retracement, buy signals came into play, and we experienced up to 53% in upside before yet another retracement up to the most recent all-time high. Bitcoin has increased in 101% in value over 109 days between the end of July into the middle of November here. Let me know down below your thoughts on crypto. Are you bullish or bearish on Bitcoin here? Are you accumulating through the lows, or do you think the bull run is done and we're heading to none? Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for hearing my analysis. Check out EngineeringRobo for free with a link in the description. Subscribe here on YouTube. Check out all the other social media down below, and tune in for the next one.